In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a recap of 2022 on Instagram Reels. Step 1 is to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner of your screen. Step 2 is to click on the plus icon in the top right corner of your screen. Step 3 is to click on the reel icon. Step 4 is to drag to the left while holding your finger at the bottom of the screen. Step 5 is to click the Use Template button. Step 6 is to click the Add Media button. Step 7 is to select up your media. Step 8 is to click on Next in the bottom right corner of your screen. Step 9 is to click again on Next in the bottom right corner of your screen. Congratulations, you've just learned how to make your recap on Instagram Reels. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you next time.